Hey, it's Tone again from VRtifacts. I thought I'd show you today the inner workings of a VR4 interpupilary adjustment mechanism. This is the interior of a VR4 that lets you adjust the spacing between your eyes and also lets you adjust the distance from the lens to your eyes, and we'll talk about how that works in just a second. So what we have here is mounts for two LCDs and lenses that go right there. They ride on a threaded rod that's called a lead screw, and also there's a stabilizing smooth rod here. If you look inside, you can see how the threads turn. There are actually some nylon plastic threaded sockets that the rod goes through. The threading is reversed for the right and left sides so that you turn the rod in one direction and the two plates move in opposite directions. So it's very nice and smooth because you've got a nylon block as the threaded socket, which is well lubricated just on its own. The plates are simply screwed on top of the nylon nuts, and there is a second guide here to keep everything nice and level. So it's simple, it's clean, and it gives you a lot of play in terms of your interpupillary distance. So the other issue is, how do we adjust the lens closer and farther away from your eyes? That's done right here. If you imagine that this is fastened to your headband here, this plate here, and the remainder of the mechanism is attached to the lenses, and through these mounting screws right here are actually attached to the front shell of the helmet. So the whole shell moves, and all you do is you just push the shell forward and backward, and the lenses get closer and farther away to your eyes. So that, in a nutshell, is how you can set up a very flexible optical mounting system. Relatively easy. There's no real special tooling here. The lead screw is done in a machine shop. Most of these plates are G40, which is the same thing that circuit boards are made out of. The nut for the lead screw is nylon, and again it's done in a machine shop. And this plate, these two plates here, this one across here and this one here, are milled aluminum, again done easily in a machine shop. So pretty straightforward. There's a little detent spring here that rides on these grooves as you push the helmet forward and backward. Again, all pretty standard machining, no big deal. Alright, well that's it for now. Thanks. Bye.